We've just only heard from the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, appealing to the people of the state to follow norms. His own minister has been seen flouting rules. Forest Minister Sanjay Rathore was seen throwing all COVID norms to the wind as he, along with his supporters, visited the Pora Devi religious place in Maharashtra's Washim region. Well, this as the minister is named in the suicide case of one TikTok star, Pooja Chavan. The minister was incommunicado for 15 days after being named in this case. Today, he gathered thousands of supporters in a show of strength. He's in fact denied the allegations, saying that, in fact, he said that this is an attempt by the BJP to frame him. The cops resorted to lathi charge to disperse the crowds. Washim is one of the 6th worst hit districts in Maharashtra. It has a test positivity ratio of 50%. A partial lockdown has been imposed in the region. In fact, on Sunday, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray had appealed to everyone, including netas, to follow all norms related to COVID-19. Listen in.
उद्याच्या कार्यक्रमानंतर मी सर्वच राजकीय पक्षांना विनंती करतो आहे की आता कृपा करून आपल्यापासून आपण सुरुवात करूया. एक तर हे शासकीय कार्यक्रम पुन्हा एकदा मी आपल्या ह्या झूमच्या पद्धतीने सुरू करायला सगळ्यांना सांगतो आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे अगदी उद्यापासून सर्व राजकीय, धार्मिक आणि सामाजिक मिरवणुका, मोर्चे, आंदोलन म्हटल्यानंतर तशी आंदोलन आहे पण गर्दी करणारी आंदोलन आणि मोठ्या काही यात्रा ह्याला पुन्हा एकदा राज्यात काही दिवसांसाठी आपण बंदी करत आहोत. कृपा करून सगळ्यांनी याची नोंद घ्यावी आणि सगळ्यांनी सहकार्य करावं. पक्ष वाढवायचा आहे, जरूर वाढवायचा आहे. सर्वांनाच पक्ष वाढवण्याचा अधिकार आहे. मला सुद्धा पक्ष वाढवायचा आहे, माझे सहकारी मित्रांना पक्ष वाढवायचा आहे, विरोधी पक्षांना सुद्धा पक्ष वाढवायचा आहे. पण आपण पक्ष वाढूया, कोरोना वाढूया नको.
So we just heard from the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, saying that all norms have to be followed. But what do we see next? These are pictures of the Forest Minister there, Rathore, in fact, who's seen violating all the norms in Washim, which is actually the worst affected districts in the state, one among the worst affected districts in the state of Maharashtra when it comes to the pandemic. Vidya is getting us more details on that. Vidya, what has the minister in question, obviously embarrassing his party and the government, said in his defense just yet? Has he said anything?
Well, he has certainly defended himself. He has been stating very clearly, although he had, since the time that the entire allegation from the Pune suicide case had been leveled against him, he had been incommunicado. But now that he is back in the picture, he has been saying that he is being unnecessarily being targeted by the BJP. In fact, he says that this is an entire conspiracy of the BJP themselves, and including this particular incident wherein lakhs of his supporters, thousands of his supporters gathered in Washim. He is stating very clearly that he did not call any of them. They on their own, for expressing the love that they have for him, they have reached that particular spot. However, as of now, we know that the Chief Minister of Maharashtra is holding a meeting on the issue of COVID. I'm right outside Varsha, where we'll get to know in some time what are the decisions that have been taken by the government looking into the COVID scenario, which has been on a spike in the state.
Vidya, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. And after Maharashtra government gave an 8-day ultimatum before imposing lockdown in the state owing to a sudden surge in coronavirus cases, India Today did a reality check to see if people are paying any heed to the appeal or not. Here's a report by Mustafa Sheikh.
The coronavirus scare is back in Maharashtra. The sudden resurgence after a period of low cases has stirred the state government into action. The Chief Minister has threatened another lockdown if people don't heed basic norms that have been imposed.
लॉकडाउन अगर नहीं चाहिए तो जो 3 चीज हमेशा मैं कहते आ रहा हूं, मास्क पहनिए, हाथ धोइए और एक दूसरे से एक सुरक्षित अंतर रखिए. देखते हैं येत्या 8 ते 10 दिवसांमध्ये किती जणांना लॉकडाउन हवाय, किती जणांना लॉकडाउन नको आहे.
India Today did a reality check to see how the rules were being followed.
मास्क पहने बिना हम लोग तो छोड़ते नहीं गाड़ी में, और आज बहुतेक सब ज्यादा करके सब लोग मास्क पहन के ही आ रहे हैं। और उससे पहले जैसा अभी आप बता रहे ना कि मुख्यमंत्री, उसके पहले पैसेंजर इतना केयरलेस करते थे कि कैसा भी ऐसे लगा इधर आके लगाने का, कभी ऐसा छोड़ के जाने का। तो हम लोग सब वो अभी देख के ही करते हैं कि अभी सब बराबर लगाते हैं मास्क, तभी अंदर छोड़ते, नहीं तो छोड़ते नहीं हम।
But not all are taking the Chief Minister's message seriously. Some made excuses.
मास्क किधर है? मास्क मैं काम पे, मैं उधर भूल गया मैं।
Others feigned ignorance.
मेरे को प्रॉब्लम है, मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम है मेरे को।
अच्छा, आपको मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मास्क नहीं पहन सकते?
हाँ।
सीएम ने भी बोला 8 दिन का टाइम दिया है, मास्क पहनो, ऐसा बोला। केसेस मुंबई में बहुत बार सुने नहीं, सीएम क्या बोले?
नहीं सुना, मेरे घर में टीवी नहीं है बॉस।
Police feel that people in general understand that there needs to be a collective responsibility.
बहुत फर्क है, बहुत जन मास्क वेयर कर रहे हैं अभी, बहुत जन, लेकिन कोई तो पुलिस के पावर में दिया है उनका ये करने के लिए।
Most Mumbaikars we spoke to expressed concern over the rising cases in state and felt that another lockdown will sound the death knell for small businesses.
बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाएगी अगर लॉकडाउन हो जाता है वापस तो वही है जो पहले 8 महीने हम लोगों ने सर्वाइव किया है, वैसे ही तकलीफ हो जाएगी वापस। तो चाहता हूँ कि नई लॉकडाउन हो।
There are negligence which has been there, so I think that negligence should be avoided. Everyone should be responsible so that this situation should be avoided. Yeah, this is for everyone.
There was a considerable difference seen. People were wearing masks. Many of them who were caught and fined were wearing masks below their nose. But there was a difference. This is according to the frontline workers we spoke to, who said that people have started to follow this COVID protocol, but these guidelines have to be followed with discipline for coming 14 days for Maharashtra to avoid another COVID wave. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
So worrisome situation indeed. Well, after a sudden spike of over 6,000 cases in the last 3 days, Maharashtra on Monday reported 5,210 new COVID-19 cases. Currently, Amravati city and 5 other districts are under complete or partial lockdown. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is going to hold a meeting at 4:30 p.m. with the BMC Commissioner to review the situation. Over the last 3 days, 70,500 people have been fined in Mumbai for not wearing masks in public places. Efforts are underway to tackle the case rise in the city. BMC Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal has said that the next 10 days will be crucial. He added that the officials are keeping a close eye on enforcement of norms. The COVID-19 crisis has also struck the Uddhav Thackeray cabinet, with senior NCP leader and Minister Chhagan Bhujbal also testing positive for COVID-19. Almost 60% of ministers from the Aghadi government have tested positive for the infection so far.
पिछले कई दिनों से महाराष्ट्र में भी नंबर बढ़े, खास करके 3 जिलों में, और एहतियाती कदम सरकार ने उठाए हैं। कुछ जगह पे लॉकडाउन लगाया है। भीड़ भड़का ना हो इसके लिए शादियों में पाबंदी लगाई गई है, सार्वजनिक कार्यक्रमों में पाबंदी लगाई गई है, और हम प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि आने वाले दिनों में कोविड को नियंत्रित किया जाए। और कुल मिला के जो हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है इलाज के लिए, सभी जिलों में ढंग से सारे इंतजाम किए गए हैं, लेकिन एहतियात जरूरी है और सरकार एहतियातन प्रशासन को कहा है कि जो भी उचित होगा आप निर्णय लें।
कोरोना का रुग्ण बढ़ रहा है तो मुझे लगता है मुक्कापट्टी लगा के थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस रख के अपना काम करके निकलते तो कोरोना को रोकने का जो प्रयास चालू है उसमें हम सबसे मुंबई पुलिस को कल से दिया है अधिकार, और वो लोग भी अभी साथ में काम कर रहे हैं।
Rising COVID cases in Maharashtra has prompted administration to take a lot of steps. On Monday, Mumbai reported 760 new cases, wherein the state of Maharashtra reported 5,200 cases. In Maharashtra, there are 5 districts where there is lockdown or night curfew restrictions. In Mumbai, it's a populated area. Trains are open every day. People are going to work and coming back from it. Mumbai for now has decided to employ more marshals. 25,000 cases of people not wearing masks is the target for Mumbai. They have also changed the guidelines wherein if 5 cases are found in a building, the building will be completely sealed because most of the cases in the cities are coming from non-slums areas. It's a crucial time with an ultimatum of 8 days given by Chief Minister to the state. If cases are not under control, then measures like lockdown could be taken. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Well, amid rising COVID-19 cases in several states, Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday chaired a meeting to review the emerging situation. Officials of the Health Ministry and other concerned departments were also present in this meeting. The current spike in COVID-19 cases and the progress of the ongoing vaccination drive were discussed in this meeting. The high-level meeting comes in the backdrop of increasing COVID-19 cases in at least 5 states, like Maharashtra, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. According to the Union Health Ministry, over 86% of the new cases have been reported from just 5 states. Maharashtra continues to be one of the worst hit states, reporting over 5,000 cases for the 5th straight day. The state government has warned that a lockdown will have to be reimposed in the state if the cases continue to surge. Kerala, meanwhile, saw some reduction in its daily cases from over 4,000 daily new cases for nearly a week. New cases on Monday dipped to 2,000. Speaking at the Health Ministry webinar, Prime Minister Modi said the government is focusing on ramping up medical infrastructure to take on any such health disaster or crisis in the future.
साथियों, कोरोना के दौरान भारत के हेल्थ सेक्टर ने जो मजबूती दिखाई है, अपने जिस अनुभव और अपनी शक्ति का प्रदर्शन किया है, उसे दुनिया ने बहुत बारीकी से नोट किया है। आज पूरे विश्व में भारत के हेल्थ सेक्टर की प्रतिष्ठा और भारत के हेल्थ सेक्टर पर भरोसा एक नए स्तर पर पहुंचा है। हमें इस भरोसे को ध्यान में रखते हुए भी अपनी तैयारियां करनी है।
जनता थोड़ा ये कोरोना कम होने के कारण ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस थे, लोग नेग्लेक्ट भी थे। अभी ठीक तरीके से मास्क पहनना, ठीक तरीके से जो सावधान रहना चाहिए। जब तक पूरे लोगों को ये वैक्सीन नहीं मिलता है, जब तक सावधान रहना चाहिए। आपको मालूम है अभी अभी महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट फिर लॉकडाउन भी किया है, वो अधिकार पूरा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को दिया है। अभी तक स्थिति कोई आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल नहीं है, कंट्रोल में है, कोई डरने की बात नहीं। मैं इसी संदर्भ में लोग के देश के जनता से यही अपील करना चाहता हूं, आप लोग सावधान से रहिए और सरकार से, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से सहयोग दीजिए, जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस है वो फॉलो करिए।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.